Are you an organic farmer? This question is often asked when people visit this farm. So the answer to this question is no, we are not organic. We are much beyond organic. We are regenerative farmer. By regenerative farmer, we mean is that our entire effort is to build the soil. And how do we build the soil? By not tilling the soil, by not putting any kind of external input like your pesticide, weedicide, fertilizer, and going beyond, we don't even use manure in this farm. In this place, we simply chop and drop the grass, the weed which is growing, because weed is going to come to the farm naturally. If the soil is fertile, then grass, weed, everything will come. So we utilize those that weed, the grass, to build the soil. We use the brush cutter to chop and drop the grass, and when it falls on the ground, it decomposes and becomes the soil. Though the entire period of building the soil is very, very long, but our effort is that slow and steady pace. We build the soil, a new soil. And so far, our results are pretty good. We are we have not been disappointed by using this kind of methods. Along with that, we have a polycropping model. In this farm, if you notice, we have around 526 different fruit trees of 32 different varieties. So when we so all these together, making a very diversified environment where every crop is thriving on its own with least effort or with least inputs from our side. So whenever possible, do visit our farm and see what we are doing different here.